clear. On me, Rabbit.
Lima Charlie, Barnum, on approach. 5 seconds. Hey, those footprints?
Okay.
Those are fresh.
You ready? Go, go, go!
RPG! 2 o'clock.
Fire!
Launch my slowly. Pull up. Hold the landing. Help me and Jerry abort the landing. Yeah, get him out there. Ready? Jump! Jump!
يا أخي الوقت إجا مخطط العرس كامل قريبا الكفار رح يعرفوا ضعفهم الوقت جاي تذكر إنك تغسل حالك بشكل نظيف
Wait, play that back, Mother. It came from where?
From a cell in Yemen. This wedding has been pinging for months. We got a
Their
lot of...
visas have expired, no return flights out of the country, and they stopped.
No one knows where these guys are now.
We're positive wedding is something else, something soon.
Beautiful Tuesday morning here in the Big Apple.
الوقت جاي
Interrupt this broadcast as we go live to Lower Manhattan.
Into an aircraft, and it appears to be an unfortunate accident that occurred at approximately...
Can you see this?
Reports of a large
Saying
explosion
it's an
near the
accident.
Pentagon.
This is coordinated.
Could be any number of groups, but I think there's no doubt this is Al-Qaeda. With this kind
We
of...
have to get in front of this. Let's get the teams together and meet at the house in 2 hours.
Voodoo, Preacher, and Rabbit are on the way. The plane's waiting.
Who's around? Dusty and Deuce are going to be happy. These guys.
Preliminary intel's that airstrikes have been successful, but we're gonna have to get dirty on this.
We're seeing increased activity in the eastern mountains near the Pakistan border.
Intelligence now places terror cells in the mountains
Paktia province, Mother.
along Pakistan.
Our local asset places HVTs in this region, mainly.
This is what we came here for. Let's go on.
Christ, Rabbit, turn that shit off.
Gonna get bumpy. You too good back there?
Roger, we're good. Except for Rabbit and his greatest hits of the Hindu Kush.
Yeah, well, I'll take that over Preacher's hip-hop any day. He might be the first guy I shoot. All right, here we go.
Is this your boy, Mother?
Negative. Tariq's in a safe house in town. These are his boys. We're cool. They're giving us his location.
Roger. Still, eyes open.
Salamuna.
Salam. Doi Pohigi Chimong Dal to you?
Na, Taliban de Zaino Pashyak Shambewulot.
Ha. Better Kumiga Kanuni Postishari?
Nah, everything cool here, my man. Cigarette?
Nah, Manana. Bro.
Voodoo, I have Tariq's location. We're moving out. Panther, is Wolfpack in position? Affirmative. Cardoz looks quiet from the south. He was Tariq. Not yet. Let us know if things change. We'll go. Hang on. Voodoo.
I'm on it. Zaus. Us. Move!
Way to keep your head, Voodoo.
Yeah, well, that dude was a pound of trigger pressure away from losing his. Mother, we're gonna maintain 4 cars back. That dude said Taliban bugged out on Sunday.
Yeah, them and everyone else. Well, keep your fingers on the triggers. Voodoo, close the gap a little.
You You sure Tariq has the intel?
Langley seems to think so. He knows something or else he wouldn't need all the security. Going left. What the fuck? Voodoo, we got company.
Who the hell are these guys?
Roof, 12 o'clock. One target. 11 o'clock window, 2 targets.
Mother, we got a truck blocking us in on our 6.
Got it.
Chechens. Shit.
Can't get past the wreck. Roger. 1-3 moving across the street. Roger. Voodoo, move through the buildings. Safer to be off the streets. Solid. Rabbit, through the buildings. Get to a hard point and link up. Jack. On me. Tariq has some fucking explaining to do. Secure the area, link up, and then we can think about him. Roger. Door. We're outside. Move up the alley. Voodoo, moving across the balcony. Second tech. Voodoo, Rabbit, watch your fires. Jack, coming to you. Fresh bag. Boom. Stay down. Enemy down. Second deck. Enemy down. He's done. Voodoo, Mother, you're clear. We're moving higher to find an alternate route to Tariq's safe house. Check. Rally up top side. Roger. Hey, kick that shit in. On the door. Contact! Got him. Lights out. Going black. Jump your nuts. This way. Stick a fork in him. time. Lots of movement up here. Dead men are on the ground.
Roger, coming to you. Rabbit, outside. Contact fire! Mother, lots of fucking doors here. 2-4 moving topside. What's your fires?
Roger, Voodoo.
Rabbit, this way.
This way. Stairs.
Mother, Voodoo, coming to you.
Check. 2 tangos upper deck.
Come on, Rabbit. Contact.
Get out of here!
3-4 tango. Blue coming through. Frag out! All clear. Voodoo, friendly's on your 3 o'clock.
Panther, Mother.
Go, Mother.
Things got assed up. Place is crawling with bad guys. Someone ratted us out.
You have Tariq.
We're on foot and moving to the location now.
We'll go.
Tariq's on the other side of town. We're close. Let's move.
Contact right. Shooters, second deck.
Tariq, you're with me. Voodoo, you Rabbit, flank right.
Move when we lay down some fire.
Think so. We don't need Tariq to tell us where the bad guys are. I think we know.
Yeah, right fucking here.
Don't miss, brother. Get outside. We can cover you.
Okay, Rabbit, we're moving.
Fuck. Tangos!
Root!
Status? Clear. Come on, you can get up over here.
Up you go. Fuck. Tariq flip, Mother. That house is gonna be a total setup. House, this whole town is a setup.
We're here, we're checking it out. Fresh bags and heads on a swivel. If Tariq's in there, we're taking him alive. Let's move. There it is. Move to cover. Stay out of the open. Check. Check.
Coming out!
Right. Goodbye.
Target down.
Exit left.
Copy that. Let's go.
Rabbit, get the door. Voodoo, cover the door. Shit. Tariq?
If he flipped, he didn't do it by choice.
Get down! die.
Great. What now?
Panther, Mother. We're in the location, there's no Tariq. Say again, no Tariq. Mother, you're in luck. Langley has predator imagery of dismounts moving to Bala Hissar. Copy that. We're moving out. Let's not waste time. Drop down. Mother, Jimmy says they may have Tariq. Looks like a dozen dudes with guns and one prisoner. Let's hustle, gents.
Roof. RPG. Grab it. Left or right?
Contact left. In the building. Reload.
Two tangos. 12 o'clock. On the stand. Right. Good luck. Watch the crossfire. Goodbye.
Move up.
Clear.
Keep moving. Keep moving. Panther, Mother. We're at the south door of the fort. We need a key. What can you do for us? Roger that. We're gonna paint it. Wildfire will take care of the rest. Tally your mark, Panther. Take cover away from that door. Shot out. Copy that, Panther. Incoming. Take cover. Stand by. Time on target, 5 seconds. Not nothing.
Let's move.
Go, go, go!
Shit. Contact. Head down. Fuck. 12. I see him. Move up. Move up.
We'll take out the gun. You'll know when to move.
Roger. Frag out.
Okay, Rabbit.
Preacher going. Roger.
Contact! Change your bags. We might get more of that. Watch your corners in here, but move quickly. Voodoo, Mother, what's your status?
Mother, we don't have a clean shot at that MG.
On our way.
Roger. Mother, no sign of Tariq.
Check. We're moving and we'll exit top deck. Watch your fires.
Roger. Moving once that MG's taken care of.
Roger that. Hang on, Rabbit. Here. Tango, take him out. Dragon off. Contact! Stay down. Get the MG gunner.
Thanks, Mother. We're moving into the courtyard.
Heads down. Place is crawling with bad guys.
Go, go!
Come on, shoot!
Mother, Voodoo! Fucking rattle the cage here. Target section building across the courtyard. Come on. Clear right. I'm moving. Go! Mother, buildings are secure. Moving out.
Roger. Link up in the courtyard.
Contact! Fire door, right! Window, open garage! I got him down low!
Get out of the open! Rabbit, this way. Any sign of Tariq? Negative. There's a lot of dead assholes.
Building's clear.
This way. Voodoo, get the door. Give me an ammo count.
5 mags, 7 grenades.
Good to go. All right, Tariq could be anywhere. We take him alive, and we find out what's going on here. Got it?
Check.
Got it. Alive. I got a few questions I want him to answer. Let's go get him. Contact right.
Clear.
Moving up.
Extra one.
Target right. They're in the garage. Find the vehicle.
2 o'clock.
Point. Status.
Clear.
Hold here. What do you think? That building looks secure.
2 Chechens were guarding it. Something important is in there.
Yeah. Rabbit, you're with me. Mother, we got another door. Check. Stack up. Remember, Tariq's in there. Roger. Stack up. Kick it in, Rabbit. Tariq? Negative. Keep moving. Release the 3. Contact left.
Behind the table. Got him. Keep your eyes out for Tariq.
Don't shoot Tariq. They ain't wearing any name tags. Just don't shoot the old guy. Let's move. Tariq?
Negative. Move.
Outside!
Clear right.
Clear left. Across the courtyard. Reload. Go soft. Panther, Mother.
Go, Mother.
Coming to you.
Mother, this is Panther at the rally point. What's your status?
All's good. We have the PC with us.
Roger that. Is there anything you didn't shoot on your way out?
We have eyes on you.
We've got you 6.
محمود من نورورا
تشرق لی طرق
تزما جوان نجات ورکا
تیب های امریکایان
ما هیچ فکر نکنم.
Just what the fuck was that back there?
This is the Taliban. They have spies everywhere. They took everything and left only hurt. Please, you must find them. Find them and kill them all.
Bullshit. Why should we trust him? For all we know, he set us up.
Why should we trust you?
Please. I have a daughter. I want her to go to school. I want her to be a person, have a life. Do you not understand?
Okay, I understand. Where are the enemy?
Shayakot.
Shaikat. What's that?
It's Pashto. It means Valley of the Kings. Shayakot.
Where is it?
There.
How many?
Many. 500 fighters. Or more.
We're gonna need a bigger boat.